A wise man established in the self should not unsettle the mind of the ignorant attached to action, but should get them to perform all their duties, delay performing his own duties. In fact, all actions are being performed by the modes of Prakriti. The fool whose mind is deluded by egoism thinks, I am the doer. However, he who has true insight into the respective spheres of gunas and their actions, holding that it is the gunas that moves among the gunas, does not get attached to them, Arjuna. Those who are completely deluded by the gunas, modes of Prakriti, remain attached to those gunas and actions. The man of perfect knowledge should not unsettle the mind of those ignorants of imperfect knowledge. Mai sarvani karmani sanyasyaadhyatmachetusa nirashir nirmamo bhutva yuddhasya vyagatajvaraha eme matamidam nitya manutishtanti manavaha श्रद्धावंतो सूयन्तो मुच्यते तेपि कर्मभिः एत्वे तत् दभ्य सूयन्तो नानुतिष्ठन्ति मे मतम् सर्वज्ञान विमूढास्तान् विद्धिनष्टान् चेतसः सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः प्रकृतिर्ज्ञानवानपि प्रकृत्यं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रहः किं करिष्यति इंद्रियस्येन्द्रियस्यार्थे रागद्वेषो व्यवस्थितौ तयोर्निवशमागच्छे एतो ह्यस्य परे पन्थिनौ. Therefore, dedicating all actions to me with your mind fixed on me, the self of all, freed from desire and the feeling of meum and cured of mental agitation, go and fight. Even those men who, with a devout mind, always follow this teaching of mine are released from the bondage of all actions. But they, however, who finding fault with this teaching of mine do not follow it, take those fools to be deluded in the matter of all knowledge as lost. All living creatures follow their tendencies. Even the wise man acts according to the tendencies of his own nature. Of what use is any external restraint? Attraction and repulsion are rooted in all sense objects. Man should never allow himself to be swayed by them, because they are the two principal enemies standing in the way of his redemption. Shreyan swadharmo vigunaha paradharman sanushtitate swadharme nidhanam shreyaha paradharmo bhayavaha. Arjuna uvache ath kena prayuktoyam papam charati purushaha अनिच्छन्नपि वार्ष्णेय बलादेव नियोजितः. श्री भगवान उवाच कामेशे क्रोधे च रजोगुणे समुद्भवः महाशनो महापाप्मा विद्येनमिह वैरिणम् धूमेनाव्रियते वह्निरे यथादर्शो मलेन च यथोल्बेनावृतो गर्भस्तथा तेनेदमावृतम् आवृतं ज्ञानमेतेन ज्ञानिनो नित्यवैरिणा कामरूपेण कौन्तेय दुष्पूरेणानलेन च. One's own duty, though devoid of merit, is preferable to the duty of another well performed. Even death in the performance of one's own duty brings blessedness. Another's duty is fraught with fear. Arjuna said, now impelled by what? Krishna, does this man commit sin even involuntarily as though driven by force. Sri Krishna Bhagavan said, it is desire of the element of Rajas which appears as wrath. Nay, it is insatiable and grossly wicked. Know this to be the enemy in this case. As fire is covered by smoke, mirror by dust, and embryo by the amnion, so is knowledge covered by desire. And Arjuna, knowledge stands covered by this eternal enemy of the wise known as desire, which is insatiable like fire. Because Indriyani manobuddhi rasyandhisthane muchyate eter vimohayatte sa jnanamavritya dehinam tasmat tamendriyanyado niyamya bharatarsabha papmanam prajahehena jnana vigyane nashanam indriyani paranyahure indriyebhyah param manaha मनस्तु परां बुद्धिरे यो बुद्धेः परतस्तुं सः एवं बुद्धे परं बुद्ध्वा संस्तभ्यात्मानमात्मना जहि शत्रुं महाबाहो कामरूपं दुरासदम्. The senses, the mind and the intellect are declared to be its seat. Covering the knowledge through these, it, the desire, dilutes the embodied soul. Therefore, Arjuna, you must first control your senses and then kill this evil thing which obstructs Gyan and Vigyan. The senses are said to be greater than the body, but greater than the senses is the mind. Greater than the mind is the intellect, and what is greater than the intellect is he, the self. Evam buddhe param buddhva sastabhyatmanamaatmana jai satrum mahabaho kamarupam durasadam. Thus, Arjuna, knowing the self which is higher than the intellect and subduing the mind by reason, kill this enemy in the form of desire that is hard to overcome. Om Tatsarite Srimad Bhagavad Gita Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjun Samvade Karma Yogo Nam Tritiyo Vadhyayah. Om Shri Krishnarpanam Vastu, Krishnarpanam Vastu, Krishnarpanam Vastu.